Hello, and welcome to Pharmacist Online. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of low-carb diets and answer the burning question: what is a low-carbs diet? Are you tired of fad diets that promise quick results but leave you feeling hungry and unsatisfied? Well, you're in luck because a low-carb diet might just be the solution you've been searching for. So, what exactly is a low-carb diet? Simply put, it's a diet that restricts your intake of carbohydrates, which are found in foods like bread, pasta, and sugar. By reducing your carb intake, your body is forced to burn fat for energy instead of glucose, leading to weight loss and improved overall health. But don't worry, a low-carb diet doesn't mean you have to give up all of your favorite foods. There are plenty of delicious low-carb options like meats, fish, nuts, and leafy green vegetables that will keep you feeling satisfied and energized. In addition to weight loss, a low-carb diet has also been shown to improve blood sugar control, lower cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. It's no wonder that more and more people are turning to this healthy lifestyle choice. So there you have it, a brief overview of what a low-carb diet is and how it can benefit you. If you're looking to make a positive change in your health and well-being, a low-carb diet is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. And as always, thank you for watching Pharmacist Online.